Little ones can easily learn how to ride a bike with SmartRike's 2-in-1 balance bike for children 2 years and older. As they grow up, just flip the frame for a quick height adjustment. So put on a helmet and become a pro. Prepare your child for bike riding. Build self-confidence, coordination, and a sense of balance. SmartRike's balance bike, both safe and fun.
Hello, and thanks for your interest in SmartRike's running bike. Sold in over 70 countries, SmartRike is the world's best-selling, most awarded baby tricycle manufacturer, and is also known for its unique, patented ride-on toys for children. We as parents try to encourage our children's healthy development and motor skills, so SmartRike has created a great product that prepares kids for bike riding by teaching them how to balance on 2 wheels. Best of all, it grows with your child and can adjust to his or her height. Great for 2 to 5-year-olds, this amazing 2-in-1 product helps children develop their balance and coordination skills without pedaling, so it's easier to ride a real bike when they're older. It makes learning to balance easy and fun too. It starts out as a low-to-the-ground balance bike that's ideal for 2 to 3-year-olds. As your little one grows taller, simply flip the frame to position the seat higher. A perfect fit for 3 to 5-year-olds. Let's go over the features quickly. This item is equipped with a unique 2-in-1 frame, an adjustable easy grip handlebar, an adjustable grippy seat, a metal frame, and EVA wheels. The bike meets all safety requirements and is quick and easy to assemble. Get your child started on the path to riding a bicycle today and share with us how much he or she enjoys this running bike.